Thank you, Mike, for the nice words. Hi, my name is Philip. I'm the CEO and co-founder of CheckMyPitch, and we are YouTube for startups. First, I want to know from you guys, who of you love startups? Okay, you can do better. Who of you love startups? Very good. I also love startups. I think startups are pretty amazing. They innovate, they disrupt, but startups have also one big problem. 92% of all startups fail within 3 years. This happens because most of the startups create great products that nobody wants to buy. Can you give me my music back? Thank you. 92% of startups fail because they produce great products that nobody wants to buy. This happens, as a matter of fact, because most of the startup founders keep their idea for themselves. They don't want to talk with anybody about it. But the better way for a startup would be to go out, talk with as much people as possible, collect all the feedback, adapt your business model, and then work on your product and produce something that people really want to buy. But this takes a lot of time, so we came up with our solution, CheckMyPitch. CheckMyPitch.com is an online platform where startups can easily talk about their business idea with other startups, investors, mentors, and many more. It works very simple. The startup just joins our website and can freely upload their pitch to our homepage. It gets two benefits. First, it can collect feedback, which it can use to adapt this business model. And second, it can use our platform for marketing to get new customers. A startup can decide either if it wants to upload an elevator pitch or if it wants to answer 10 standardized questions. These are questions like how big is your market and who's your biggest component and what are you going to do to outcompete them. Right now we're trying to launch our platform in Vienna, and for this we need 50 Vienna startups who are willing to pitch their idea. Our second step will be the international growth, and third, but not least, we're trying to monetize our platform. Our vision is clear. Starting from Vienna, we want to become an online platform for international startup pitches. I don't work on CheckMyPitch alone. There's also Yannick and Anna. Yannick has 7 years of experience in the field of programming and studies now software engineering at TU Wien. And as you can think, he's our CTO. And there's also Anna. She's been to this meetup, I think, twice. She's studying at VU International Economics, and she's our marketing guru. As I told you before, we are looking for 50 startups who are willing to join our beta test. Because of this, I want to close my presentation with some kind words to all the people in this room. So I want you to join CheckMyPitch.
Okay, that was quite fast. Okay.
Short intro, but long Q&A, I think.
Yeah, let's head over to the Q&A.
How do you make money?
Yeah, as I told you, we are not making money right now. This project, to understand for all of you, it started out of interest for us because we wanted to inform ourselves about startups, but we didn't find a way on the internet to do this pretty fast. Sure, you can go on a homepage or use Google, hit in some keywords, you will find pages and pages where you can read business plans and everything, but you will have to read a lot. And the idea of our platform is to visit it, hit one button, and get pitched by a startup. And then you can decide if you want to get more information. How we get money, we only can start this with a homepage if we get a lot of traction. So as I mentioned, it will be the third step. We have two possibilities, either a freemium model, so for some services free, some the people have to pay, or to cooperate with some affiliate partners like Pioneers Festival or some festivals or events which really need a lot of traction between startups.
And who gives the feedbacks?
The feedback is part from us, part from some experts in the field which partner with us, and some from the community.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Maybe I can ask you one of the 10 questions you have on your site. What's the difference with like competitive sites that already propose this?
What page do you mean? Do you mean a special one or general other homepage?
General, I think there is some website.
Yeah, we already did this research. We find a lot of homepages on the internet. They're working quite in a similar field, but on the pages you're not able to see someone pitch like I do. Most of the time you find text, or you see a very professional product video which costs them about $5,000 to produce. So you won't find on this website someone who already has a small idea and wants to talk about it. So we also want to focus on people having an idea and wanting to develop that.
The way you imagine it to be, would it rather be very specific feedback of 2 or 3 people for one pitch, like more experts, or would it more be 250 common users where you like get your information from the crowd?
I would be happy if we would manage to get 250 feedbacks for every video, but I don't think this won't be possible. Yeah, so I think, I only can imagine, as I told you, we are not starting our beta test, so I can't tell you how it really works. But the idea is for startups to first collect a lot of feedback from the ground, and if you want detailed feedback for some expert, this could be a freemium model for what you pay.
Okay, then I have a follow-up question that a colleague already touched. Why would the community give feedback to the pitches?
We've talked with about 120 people before we started this, and they all say they're interested in startups. So if you're a startup, you're most likely to be interested in startups, and they all believe that it's a little bit, I don't know, in German, geben und nehmen, giving and taking. So. And we also have another model where we're not sure if we want to use this, where we say when we have an amount of pitches and you want to upload your pitch, you can upload your pitch, but it will only be displayed after you have commented 5 pitches, and then we can decide, is this a good comment? So if someone's saying, oh, cool, maybe we won't count this.
Okay, thank you.
How much it will cost for startups?
It's free for startups now. The first 50 are definitively free, and then we have to look.
Okay.
Okay.
I think that a lot of people fear that their plans and their ideas get out, and somebody will copy it. And how do you deal with this? Because information is being given to people you don't know actually.
Thank you very much. I've been waiting for this question. Who knows this guy? Huh? He's called Daniel Ek. He's the founder of Spotify. And am I connected to the internet? Yes. I put a little video for you.
Person will figure out a way to sell umbrellas in Sahara because they'll figure out that it's for sun protection, or they'll figure out a way where it can generate electricity or something like that. But it's really all about execution, and ideas is 5%, execution is 95%.
And he's not the only one believing like this, that yeah, as he said, ideas 5%, executions 95%. I can't tell everyone that nothing will happen, but we're making this sure. We're also trying to find people who say the same like he does, and everyone can decide himself if he wants to take this opportunity, but risks everywhere. Thank you.